Hi everyone, this is Anju and I hope nag-enjoy kayo doon sa first vlog ko. Today's vlog is we're going to Chatok Chak Market and we took this tuk-tuk ride and then it's 25 minutes lang from Bataan. So there we go and look at that. Napakalaki niya. Sabi na this is the biggest market in the world. Pero talagang napakalaki as hindi mo siya maiikot ng ilang oras lang. And then we're stuck here sa bilihan ng mga iconic elephant na pants kasi talaga lahat ng turista bumibili niya ng sinusuot nila while walking around Thailand. Like us, ganun din ginawa namin. So this is yung chai tea na shop. Hinanap ko talaga to because I saw this sa YouTube and it's cool. It's so good. Ang sarap talaga niya. So, worth it talaga. And night na. So, night market. After that, we got the massage. And that's it for today. So, bye!